Hi, I'm Mike Marin, and in this video we'll talk about producing box plots using R. A box plot is appropriate for summarizing the distribution of a numeric variable. We will be working with the lung capacity data that was introduced earlier in this series of videos. I've already gone ahead and imported the data into R and attached it. We can produce a box plot using the Boxplot command. You can access the help menu by typing help and in brackets the name of the command you would like help for, or by simply throwing a question mark in front of the name of the command. Let's go ahead and produce a box plot for the variable lung capacity. Recall, the box plot is a visual display of the 5-number summary. Let's ask R for the minimum, first quartile, median, third quartile, and maximum to complement our box plot. We can do this using the quantile command, asking for quantiles for the variable lung cap, and specifically we would like the minimum, first quartile, median, third quartile, and maximum value. Now let's go ahead and make a few changes to this plot. First, we may add a title using the main argument, as well as label the x-axis or the y-axis using the xlab or ylab argument. We may also change the limits for the y-axis using the ylim argument. Here we'll go ahead and set our y limits to run from 0 up to 16. I also like to rotate the values on the y-axis by setting the LAS argument equal to 1. Often, we wish to compare two or more box plots that are on the same scale. For example, we may wish to compare the distribution of lung capacities for females to males. In other words, we wish to compare the distribution of a numeric variable for different groups that are formed by a categorical variable. We may accomplish this using the Boxplot command, plotting lung capacity, separated by the variable gender. This produces a box plot of lung capacity for each of the groups formed by the variable gender. As before, we can add a title to this plot using the main argument. We may also produce the same plot by using the square brackets to subset. Plot a box plot of the lung capacity only for those whose gender is female, and on the same axis produce a box plot of lung capacity only for those whose gender is male. A double equal sign. What does this mean? Recall that the equal sign can be used in R to assign values to objects, and that the double equal sign is used to represent the meaning of equality in a mathematical sense. In later videos in this series, we'll discuss how to further refine these plots, such as replacing that 1 and 2 with more meaningful labels. To learn more about further refining these box plots, explore the help menu. Thanks for watching this video, and make sure to check out my other instructional videos.